If you struggle with making perfect waffles at home, or your snacks never come out crispy and restaurant style, then this video is for you. Today we are reviewing and using the Egg Bubble Waffle Maker, a powerful 1400W commercial waffle machine designed for both home and business use. Whether you are running a cafe, bakery, or snack bar, or just want to upgrade your kitchen, this machine can completely solve your waffle making problems. This Egg Bubble Waffle Maker comes with non-stick stainless steel plates, so your waffles don't stick and come out in perfect shape every time. It also features 180 degrees rotation, which helps spread the batter evenly for a fluffy and crispy texture. If you've ever struggled with messy, broken, or undercooked waffles, this Egg Bubble Waffle Maker is a game changer. It is perfect for making bubble waffles, egg pancakes, and other creative snacks quickly and professionally. So whether you are starting a small food business or just want restaurant-style waffles at home, this machine solves all your waffle problems in one go.